AI-tailored feature. Let us guide you through our AI product design tool. At first, you will be able to see the different product categories which you can choose from. After clicking on your chosen category, you have to select your input datas. You can either choose between your own before uploaded data, current trends, or competitors. After that, click on Order Design. When your designs are successfully generated, you can click here to see it, to get access to your images. You will now see different design packs with your previously chosen product category type. On the left side, you will see your past designs, which you can either hide or show. You are also able to rename your current generated designs. Clicking on the 3 dots over every image will give you the opportunity to apply our other tools on your images. Choose one or more from your designs by clicking the little box symbol about every image. The selected image or images can now be saved to your My Data or can also be added to your My Collection files. Another opportunity is to click on Design More to generate more designs based on your previously selected image.